In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a sheet in Google Sheets. If you've ever ended up with too many tabs, old data you no longer need, or a spreadsheet that just feels cluttered, this quick tutorial is going to help you clean things up instantly. Removing a sheet might sound simple, but doing it confidently without deleting something important by accident is a skill every Google Sheets user should know. So whether you're organizing schoolwork, office reports, or personal projects, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to keep your spreadsheets clean and fully under control. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and navigate to the spreadsheet containing the sheet you want to remove. Once you're there, look at the bottom of your window where all your sheet tabs appear. Make sure to select the sheet you want to delete carefully, as this process will remove it completely from your spreadsheet. Next, click on the drop-down arrow next to the sheet's name. You'll see several options that help you manage your sheet, such as renaming, duplicating, or copying it. The option we're interested in is Delete, which lets you completely remove the sheet. Follow the on-screen prompt. Google Sheets will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to delete this sheet. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you double-check the sheet's contents before deleting it. If there's any important data you might need later, consider duplicating the sheet or exporting the data. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent accidental loss of important information. Once you've confirmed by clicking OK, the selected sheet will be deleted instantly. After that, you can continue working on your spreadsheet without that extra sheet cluttering your view. It's also a good idea to occasionally back up your spreadsheets, just in case you accidentally remove something important. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, removing a sheet in Google Sheets is quick, clean, and incredibly useful for keeping things organized. A small step like this can make your entire spreadsheet easier to manage, especially when you're dealing with multiple tabs or large projects. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident navigating Google Sheets. If this video made your work even a bit easier, feel free to share it with someone who might appreciate a little spreadsheet cleanup too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.